Introducing the Corvette Motorhome 2026. This is not just a motorhome. This is a revolution in motion. For over 70 years, the name Corvette has been a symbol of pure American performance. A legend carved in steel, aluminum, and carbon fiber. It's the dream of the open road, delivered with heart-pounding power. But what happens when that dream evolves? What happens when the soul of a supercar is fused with the freedom of a grand tourer? This is the answer. Forget everything you thought you knew about recreational vehicles. The CR-V's exterior is pure Corvette DNA, sculpted by the wind. The interior is where performance luxury finds a new home. This is a cabin lined in Alcantara, hand-stitched leather, and exposed carbon fiber. The space itself is intelligent. This is not a static floor plan, it's a modular living environment. During the day, it's an open-plan lounge and mobile office. But watch this. The Corvette CR-V Concept 2026 is more than a motorhome. It's a statement. It's the radical idea that you don't have to compromise. You can have the soul-stirring performance of a Z06, the cutting-edge technology of a flagship sedan, and the opulent luxury of a five-star hotel. This isn't just a corner. It's a dedicated gaming cockpit engineered directly into the RV. We've integrated a liquid-cooled, high-performance PC. This is the future of travel. The freedom to go anywhere, the performance to get there fast, and the luxury to never want to leave. In the world of high performance, one name is defined by a singular, relentless pursuit. Pure, uncompromised speed. McLaren. For decades, they have mastered the track. They have redefined the supercar. Now, they are applying that same lightweight, obsessive engineering to a new frontier. This is not a motorhome. This is a complete re-engineering of grand touring freedom. This is the McLaren Aeron 2026. The Aeron, named for the sky, for the wind, is not built. It is sculpted. The entire body is a single-piece carbon fiber monocoque, just like its Formula One counterpart. Step inside, and the philosophy continues. Everything for a reason. The cockpit is pure McLaren, a central driving seat, a wraparound holographic display, no buttons, only essential tactile controls on the carbon fiber steering wheel. The living space is an intelligent minimalist cell. The furniture is modular, crafted from lightweight composites. At the touch of a button, the entire area transforms. A wall glides away to reveal a galley. A bed descends from a hidden roof cassette. This intelligence extends to every passenger. The rear lounge module is a multi-purpose environment. Activate simulation mode, and a full chassis haptic simulator deploys from the bulkhead, using real-world track telemetry. This is not just a game, it is a training tool. For younger occupants, the same space offers a different function. The interior smart glass wall becomes an interactive design studio, a full-length digital canvas for creativity and learning. Like everything in the Aeron, these features are integrated functions, disappearing completely when not in use. No compromise, no unnecessary weight. For younger occupants, the same space offers a different function. The interior smart glass wall becomes the panoramic smart glass roof can turn fully opaque for privacy or display track telemetry and navigation data. This is not luxury as excess. This is luxury as efficiency. The McLaren Aeron 2026 was designed around a single question. Why must freedom be slow? Why must luxury be heavy? This is the answer. The world's fastest residence. The only motorhome with the soul of a hypercar. We have always looked to the horizon for what's next. We've dreamed of a future that is sleek, intelligent, and seamless. A future that doesn't just move us, but inspires us. That future is no longer on the horizon. It is here. Introducing the futuristic Neon Motorhome 2026. This is not a vehicle, it's a personal flagship. The exterior is a single shell of Chroma PF, a polymorphic alloy that can shift its color and opacity at your command. The neon light blades aren't just for style. They are an advanced LiDAR and sensor array, mapping the world around you in real time and communicating with other smart vehicles. Power is silent and absolute. A next-generation hydrogen fuel cell works in tandem with an electric axle powertrain. It produces zero emissions. Its only byproduct is pure water. With a range of over 1,000 miles, the Neon doesn't just visit the future, it takes you there. Step inside, and the vehicle vanishes around you. The entire cockpit is a single, uninterrupted holographic display. Navigation, vehicle biometrics, and your personal AI assistant are all projected high-def gaming room with haptic simulators that drop from the ceiling, or an interactive kids' play area, where the smart walls become a creative digital canvas. By night, the same space transforms. The floor panels rise, a bioluminescent waterfall activates, and it becomes a zero-gravity massage room, creating a personal sanctuary of calm. The futuristic Neon Motorhome 2026. It's more than travel, it's an experience. Your life unbound, into your field of vision. Simply speak your destination, and the autonomous pilot engages. The walls themselves are smart glass, capable of turning completely transparent for a 360-degree panoramic view, or becoming an immersive 8K digital canvas. Luxury is intelligent. The galley is fully automated, preparing meals from a voice-selected menu. The primary suite features a biometric bed that adjusts to your perfect sleeping conditions, while the spa module bathroom uses atomized mist and light therapy showers, and this vehicle is designed for every part of your life. The rear Harmony Wing is a fully adaptive space. By day, it's a... For decades, one name has been the global icon for durability, a symbol of reliability that can take you to the edge of the map and, more importantly, bring you back. That name is Tacoma. But what happens when that indestructible DNA is fused with a vision of the future? What if go anywhere toughness met live anywhere luxury? This is the answer. This is not a truck with a camper. This is a fully integrated, next-generation adventure vehicle. Introducing the Toyota Tacoma RV 2026. From the ground up, the Tacoma RV is built to perform. It's powered by the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, delivering instantaneous torque for rock crawling, combined with a silent, all-electric mode for gliding through nature. Its TRD Pro DNA is everywhere. Adaptive variable suspension, multi-terrain AI that reads the road ahead, and a self-leveling chassis that ensures a perfect foundation, no matter where you park. But the real revolution begins inside. The cockpit is a masterpiece of Toyota's new design language. A single, curved, pillar-to-pillar transparent display serves as your dash, your navigation, and your command center. Your AI co-pilot manages vehicle systems, routes, and interior climate. The interior is defined by intelligent, adaptive luxury, and this is most apparent in the Harmony Zone, a single, multi-function room at the rear of the vehicle, designed for every member of the family. Traveling with family. The same space becomes a safe, interactive kids' play area, where the smart floor projects educational games and the walls become a digital art canvas. And when the day is done, the room seals, the biometric climate control releases calming aromatherapy, and a zero-gravity chair deploys from the wall, transforming the space into a private massage room. The Toyota Tacoma RV 2026. Uncompromising toughness, unbelievable intelligence. Your base camp for the future, wherever you choose to make it. For over a century, one name has been the unwavering standard for ultimate luxury. Rolls-Royce. It is not a machine, it is an experience, an escape, a sanctuary. But what if that sanctuary was not bound by walls? What if the pinnacle of bespoke craftsmanship was free to roam the world in absolute silence? This is the Rolls-Royce Phantom Sanctuary 2026. This is not a motorhome. It is a private, coach-built commission. Its form is sculpted, not assembled. A single, seamless body that flows without interruption. Propulsion is, of course, entirely silent. A new generation electric drivetrain provides effortless, instant torque. And our world-renowned Magic Carpet Ride suspension uses predictive road scanning to ensure that the world outside never intrudes on the perfect calm within. The Phantom Sanctuary is a fully autonomous experience. Inside, there is no cockpit, only your personal living space. The cabin is acoustically isolated with over 300 pounds of sound insulation, creating a perfect sphere of silence. Your ceiling is the iconic Starlight headliner, now a fully dynamic map of the heavens. The gallery is no longer a dashboard, it is an entire wall of bespoke art, which glides away to reveal a full-width, 8K transparent display. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Sanctuary, the pinnacle of luxury, is no longer a destination. It is the journey itself.